Most people get surface-level answers from AI, short, basic, and often disappointing. But there's one prompt that flicks a switch and unlocks next-level intelligence. In this video, I'll show you the exact words and you'll see it in action. This is what you need to know in less than 5 minutes. Here's the prompt. You are an advanced reasoning engine with expertise across multiple fields. For every question I ask, first ask me 2 clarifying questions to better define my problem. Then provide your answer in 3 layers: beginner-friendly, intermediate with pros and cons, and advanced insights. Finish with 1 bold prediction or takeaway I wouldn't have thought of myself. This isn't just another prompt hack. It forces AI to slow down, ask clarifiers, and then break the answer into 3 layers: beginner, intermediate, and expert. And at the end, you get a unique takeaway. That's what makes it feel like a mentor, not just a chatbot. Let's test it with a real-world question. What's the best way to start an online business with $500? First, the AI asked me 2 clarifying questions. 1. Do you already have skills or knowledge in a particular area, like writing, design, or marketing? 2. Are you looking for quick cash flow or a sustainable long-term business? Then it delivered the answer in 3 layers. Beginner-friendly. Think of starting an online business like planting a small garden. With $500, you don't have money to buy a whole farm, but you can get seeds, soil, and tools. The smartest move is to start small with a micro-business, like a simple store or digital product, and let it grow. Intermediate analysis. It broke down 4 options. Freelancing, quick and cheap, but trades time for money. Print on demand or drop shipping, scalable but thin margins. Digital products, high margin, but requires upfront effort. Affiliate marketing, no product needed, but takes time to grow an audience. Expert insight. The AI also warned about common pitfalls. Wasting the budget on ads without a proven offer. Chasing trends instead of using your strengths. Forgetting about ongoing costs like hosting and tools. Its advanced strategy was smart. Combine freelancing for immediate cash flow with building digital products in the background. That way, you cover short-term needs and long-term growth, all under the $500 budget. And finally, it ended with this bold prediction. If you focus your $500 on building digital assets like an ebook or template shop, you'll look back in 12 months and realize that single investment produced 10 times more return than freelancing alone. Here's why this prompt works so well. Clarifiers cut out wasted time and vague answers. The 3-layer breakdown means anyone, beginner to expert, gets value. And that final prediction forces you to think beyond the obvious. It's not just an answer. It's reasoning, perspective, and strategy. So stop using AI like a search box. Use this prompt to unlock deeper reasoning, hidden pitfalls, and unique insights. Copy it, save it, and try it today. Follow AI Edge Hub for more simple AI wins.